Hello guys, RiderTech here. Today I'm going to talk about a theme that I find that it's relevant right now. Hope you can hear with the wind noise. Basically, it's spring, or it will soon be spring. But here in Portugal we already have 20 plus degrees Celsius, and the sun is actually hot. The wind is mild, so you basically start to heat up in winter gear or multi-season gear. So basically I'm going to talk about what you need to look for in gear to ride in the hot months. In most countries where you ride, the riding season is primarily composed by hot months. Here in Portugal the climate is mild enough that you can actually ride the year round, even in winter. There's no reason for you not to ride in rain. The only reason that you should not ride is when temperatures are below freezing, because black ice, so ice that you cannot see on the road, on the tarmac, is a killer, and basically that's the only time I don't pick up the bike to go anywhere. It's when the temperatures are low enough or the wind is low enough for ice to form on the roads. But that's not the theme today. The theme today is what you should look for to mitigate the heat while riding. So first of all, mesh. That's the key word for everything you need in this kind of weather. This jacket is a mesh jacket. I have shoes with tons of mesh, and basically that's my concessions to the summer. My gloves are perforated, but they are short cuff gloves, and that's the thing that you can get to get gloves that protect you. These are leather gloves, but they are short cuff. Leather doesn't breathe a lot. It's skin, so it breathed when it was alive by sweating, and that's the other main thing. If you go to the online stores and stuff, you will find cooling jackets. Those cooling jackets are nothing less than some kind of synthetic fabric that absorbs water and releases it slowly. So basically it's an extra sweat gland that you put on yourself in order to evaporate and create the same cooling effect that your body does naturally. That's the main key points. So mesh and stuff that helps you sweat and remove that sweat. There are also some kind of riding shirts that are similar to what you can get to run. They wick moisture away, and basically keep you always sweating, because that's another thing. If you are soaked, you cannot sweat anymore. So unless the water is evaporating, you will just stay warm. That's one of the problems with moist climates, with a high humidity. They basically don't allow you to sweat, so you are always wet. and hot. So besides that, what can you do? You can carry a backpack or something with a hydration bladder. That would allow you to keep if the backpack has an isolation pouch or something like that, or if you put ice on the hydration bladder, you could actually keep something cool against your back, and you would also have water to drink. That's the main thing. When it's hot, you need to make more stops to cool off and drink water, because you will not notice a heat stroke or that you are losing focus due to heat until it's too late. And sometimes accidents happen because you basically are so hot that you cannot think of anything else. You start to be slower. You basically just zone out, and that can cause accidents. So those are my 2 key points. Some of you will probably say that leather is what you need for the street, is more it's better protection, and you are right. But today textiles are advanced enough that they will perform at the same level, especially at road speeds. They will perform at the same level, but the main difference is this. Normally a textile jacket is a one crash situation, so it's rare that you can use more. If you go down with a textile jacket and you slide a bit, it will hold itself, but the abrasion resistance will be spent. With hide, so leather, that's not the same thing. It will probably take a few crashes to degrade leather to the point that you need to replace the whole garment. And most major brands will offer some kind of service that you can actually replace parts of the suit or the jacket, but that depends on the brand and what kind of suit you have. Sometimes the price that they will ask is just cheaper to buy another one, and you hang that one that you crashed in as a souvenir to remind you what you did. So I don't know how much you can hear me. At least in my helmet there's a lot of wind. So that's it. That's my 2 cents on the summer riding. Just keep in mind the heat is your enemy. Just like your bike needs airflow to cool down, you also need airflow to cool down. If you can get airflow, top. You're basically set. Just keep yourself hydrated. Make more stops basically. If you can't, you should probably stop and cool off, find some shade. And hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and see ya.